Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How are you guys doing today? I'm here to do another reaction video to another well, not an RBD member, but an RBD member. Her name is Maite Perroni. This is her 26th performance at Premios Juventud. I'm curious to see what she's going to be giving me this one because I did like her rendition to the song This Is Me from This Is the Greatest Showman. This is the Greatest Showman. I think that's the name of the movie. I don't know. No black hair? What? Oh, she looks good with this color. Wait. Didn't another member perform this year too? Or like one other member performed this year too? Because I think someone left a recommendation for that. I think it was Anna, who also performed. Oh, interesting. I can't really tell if she's singing live, or she's lip singing, or she's singing over a live track. Oh, who's he? You gotta love those Latinos. Okay, T-Mobile, stay promoting the artists.
Que sería la última vez. Te vuelvo a llamar, te quiero escuchar.
Okay, it looks like she's lip singing. She looks good though. She's a pretty girl.
Soy adicta y sé que no puedo parar. Cada dosis de tu cuerpo siento que me va a matar. Si me muevo despacito sé que a ti te va a gustar. Así que baila pegadito, no me vayas a soltar. Adicta a lo que tú me das. Con cada beso quiero más.
A very good performance. She's giving us a very, very good performance.
No importa, no quiero parar. Adicta a lo que tú me das. Con cada noche quiero más. Tu cuerpo a mí me va a matar. No importa, no quiero parar.
Yes. Okay, that was cute. I was very concerned. I couldn't really tell if she was singing live, lip singing, or singing over a live track. I couldn't really tell. This is a very nice performance. It wasn't bad at all. It wasn't that about. It was not bad at all. I was very worried because I haven't reacted to anything that she did live by herself. But this was very good. This was very good. Very good. This is a very good performance from her so far. I just wasn't sure if she was lip singing over a soundtrack. Even if she was lip singing, I think she could have sung live, especially the parts where she's steady, she's not really moving too much. She could sing those live, but not judging too harshly yet because this was actually a very good performance. So good job, May. I'm gonna call her May. Good job, May. So thanks to everyone who recommended me this. The person who sent it to me, actually, I think they sent me 2 links. Both to me, they seem visually the same, but this one was a little bit more audio friendly. The audio was so much better in this one to me, especially listening to my headphones. So I chose this video. So thank you for that so much, and also thank you for leaving the links. At least you and a few others do that, so thank you. For everybody else, what do you guys want me to react to? Feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and we'll get to it as soon as possible. Oh, so can the you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Ah.